Gate, an exclusive look at the 2021 Supercross season with the Yamaha Star Racing team.
After the first 6 races of the season were all on indoor venues, both in Houston and Indianapolis. The last 2 in Orlando, the first of the outdoors, and then of course this as well at the famed Daytona Supercross.
It amps me up when people say how good I'm doing, but I think it drives me more when people are more critical. You know, they don't think I'm gonna do something. I want to push to prove them wrong.
It's time for the Daytona Supercross. It's time to bring the action. Here comes Plessinger on the 7. He's going at Cooper Webb just like they did in the heat race.
Aaron Plessinger, I mean, this guy came to play today.
A career night here in Daytona for Aaron Plessinger.
You just see some focus on making sure he hits the right lines, bring this thing home to the checkered flag, and continue to build. He said it in the off-season press conference that you are going to see a new Aaron Plessinger, the guy that we should have seen 2 years ago.
Holy baby! We made it on the podium. 2 years. 2 years.
To come up here and just get back up on this podium, it means a lot to me. I wanted to come up here to show the mustache off, show the mullet off. I've been waiting to do that for a while, and you know, shoot, do it for Dale. Woo!
I can't wait till Arlington.
I know you gave it all you had, and you did.
It'll come easier now.
But now you should believe in yourself.
Get home.
Hey.
Monday, 4 p.m.
Good job, buddy.
It is great to be back in the Lone Star State. You know, Texas will host more rounds of this year's championship than any other state as we welcome you to round 10 of Monster Energy AMA Supercross and FIM World Championship. Great start, Muscan, and he leads early. Plessinger's up on the inside though.
I think we're starting to see Aaron Plessinger of old in them 250 days.
Here comes Plessinger though.
He just went into the whoops way faster than Joey Savacci did, was able to make the pass.
But fresh from a career first podium in the 450 class, this 250 West champion wins the second heat and is just loving life at the moment.
It's kind of like a dream come true. I mean, to find myself up on the podium last weekend and then here winning the heat race this weekend, it's crazy.
As Ricky said earlier, you're going to see a new AP this year, and we are.
We are at Boot Barn, Western, and Workwear. I'm about to go inside here and see if we can't find a pair of boots and a cowboy hat.
What classifies as like a good hat?
You gotta get the right fit, you gotta look, you gotta check in the mirror, see if it checks you out. You know, see, this one ain't my style. Oh. I think I found my one. I think this is it. I think this is it. I got these. These are the ones. That fit. Nice. I mean, this would be the Yamaha shirt right here. Oh, love it or leave it. Boys, we're done here.
have to saddle up.
From Hamilton, Ohio, riding the Monster Energy Star Racing Yamaha, number 7, Plessinger.
450, heat number 1. And what a start for AP on the inside to 7 bike. Can he hold it? Is it AP's night? Will be the magic of the Cowboy hat.
For him to come out here, get the whole shot, and lead this heat race, he's doing extremely well.
The checker flag comes out, and AP gets the win in Heat 1.
I'm not the greatest qualifier. It always fires me up. So, you know, I like to come out here, qualify 15th, and come out here and win the heat race.